Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Gears of War Reloaded beta. To begin, it is crucial to understand that beta access is often exclusive and requires specific steps. You will need to identify the official channels provided by the game developers for beta participation. Also, ensure your gaming platform is ready for the beta installation, checking for sufficient storage space and system updates. This preparation is your first step towards experiencing the game early. The next step involves official registration. Navigate to the game's official website or the developer's dedicated portal. Once there, actively search for the specific section designated for beta signups. Carefully complete the registration form, providing all requested information accurately. This typically includes your email address, platform preference, and sometimes a brief survey. Submitting this form is essential for your application to be considered for beta access. After registering, patiently monitor the email address you provided for an invitation. If selected, you will receive a unique beta code. This code must be redeemed on your chosen gaming platform's digital store, such as the Xbox Store or PC client. Once the code is successfully entered, you can then initiate the download of the beta client. The download size might be several gigabytes, so ensure a stable internet connection. With the beta client downloaded, you are now ready to play. Launch the application directly from your game library. Take time to familiarize yourself with any beta-specific features, limitations, or instructions provided within the game. Remember, your participation is crucial for helping developers refine the experience. Actively provide constructive feedback through the designated channels, contributing to the game's final quality. Enjoy your exclusive early access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.